Poland is currently planning to build one of the largest transport hubs in Europe. This extraordinary airport is planned to connect both high-speed trains and air travel. It has even sparked NATO's intense interest in protecting its eastern flank. But there is one thing we don't know. Is it their plan to replace Warsaw's two airports? You should also know that the proposal is not well liked by the current government either. So why is this massive project happening? Do you think it is wise for Poland to build such a large airport after the ones they already have? My name is John. Get ready as we delve into the important details. Poland is about to launch a massive undertaking to build the Central Port Communication, or CPK, a massive airport that will function as a transportation hub that is completely integrated. The CPK intends to transform travel experiences and improve connections across the nation, with an anticipated expenditure of approximately 36 billion zloty, or $8.7 billion. With its planned long-haul flights, Poland's future mega airport is anticipated to compete with the likes of Heathrow and Dubai. The goal of the new airport is to eliminate the need for travelers from Central and Eastern European nations to stop at hubs in Western Europe in order to fly practically anywhere in the world. Warsaw-Chopin Airport, the city's primary airport, is almost full, hence plans are in motion to construct Warsaw's Solitary Airport. The new airport will assist LOT Polish Airlines, the nation's flag airline, in growing its passenger base as well as Poland's overall passenger development. The CEO of LOT Polish Airlines reportedly stated to Bloomberg, according to Simple Flying, "We will be involved in planning and building Central Europe's proper aviation hub." Foster & Partners and Buro Happold announced the airport's plans earlier this year. The airport's main train station, transfer hub, and passenger terminal were all represented in the computer-generated imagery. "Our design focuses on passengers. Our ambition is to create an accessible building that will improve the travel experience through clear visual connections," Foster & Partners head of studio Grant Brooker told Notes from Poland. Developers expect the airport's construction to cost in the region of $9 billion, but this figure could increase to as much as $30 billion once wider costs are included. Not only will the runways and airport terminals need to be constructed, but the nation's train system also needs to be upgraded. Warsaw Solidarity Airport is projected to be 40 kilometers from Warsaw and features a train station that links to the nation's current rail system. It is anticipated that the airport will have 40 million passengers by 2035. By 2060, there will be a third runway and additional terminal expansions, bringing the total number of passengers to 65 million. With aircraft scheduled to depart from the airport in 2028, construction is expected to start by the end of this year. The airlines that will fly out of the Polish airport are still to be announced. Warsaw Solidarity Airport is projected to create approximately 150,000 jobs in the region. Both locals and travel industry specialists have harshly criticized the new plans. Why build a new airport? The Warsaw-Chopin Airport is reportedly running at nearly full right now. Polish national airline LOT will benefit from the establishment of a new hub because of the same reason. According to reports, long-haul flights will be no problem for the new hub. This means that travelers from countries in Eastern and Central Europe won't have to go via Western European centers like Paris, Amsterdam, or Frankfurt to reach important cities all around the globe. Those passengers can choose among 16 airports that provide direct flights to foreign long-haul destinations, according to a study by the Center for Aviation. When contrasted with the over 60 in Western Europe, this number is quite low. Along with Dubai International Airport and London Heathrow, the new airport hub will be at the forefront of international aviation traffic. By 2035, the airport is expected to have the capacity to handle up to 40 million people annually. Plus, with 3 parallel runways added, that number will rise to 65 million passengers by 2060. Atrium, the heart of the complex. The CPK complex's main attraction is the Atrium, a large indoor facility that will link the airport, train station, and bus terminals. The diamond-shaped atrium will welcome the majority of guests, irrespective of their means of transportation. The two-story terminal will cover an area of about 400,000 square meters and will have both conventional check-in counters and self-service kiosks that can scan passengers' biometrics. In addition to serving the airport, the train station located within the atrium will act as a transportation center for the entire country. The station can accommodate both local and long-distance trains with its 12 tracks and 6 subterranean platforms. The station's position within the atrium makes it easy for passengers to access from the terminal. First designs by renowned architects. Well-known British and Irish builders were asked to come up with ideas for the airport. The first drafts were shown to everyone at the end of July. In the next few months, a strategic partner will be chosen. This partner will be a foreign company with investment experience in designing, building, and running hub airports. Work on the master plan will start at the start of next year. The master plan will show how the airport is supposed to grow over the next 10 years, including predictions for air traffic, the exact size of the planned infrastructure, the stages of building, and a full business plan for the investment. Network of rail connections. Despite the fact that certain Polish towns with populations of over 50,000 still do not have access to railways, the CPK initiative aims to improve the country's transportation infrastructure and decrease transportation exclusion. In order to make CPK an easy entry point for foreign travel, the new rail network intends to link the country's main cities to CPK in Warsaw, the capital of Poland, within 2.5 hours. According to Wild, CPK is more than just an infrastructure project for Poland. It's also a big connector for Central and Eastern Europe. The multimodal design of the CPK project will make it much easier for people in Central and Eastern Europe to get around, especially along the North-South line. Together, CPK and other regional projects like Rail Baltica, the Czech HSR program, and the V4 high-speed rail project will build a modern, dense, and compatible transportation network that will connect all of these areas. What this implies is that CPK is working with others. As a result, the strong cooperation between all levels of these sister projects, CPK is beginning to take form as an international effort to unite the Central and Eastern European region. Notably, the proposed rail network will adhere to the European Green Directive, since it is part of the European Commission's sustainability and smart transportation agenda. Smart Airport. Polish officials are dead set on making sure the new airport is a smart airport that uses cutting-edge, user-friendly technology to streamline travel for passengers. Consequently, the design consortium is working on a variety of innovative, eco-friendly solutions for the gateway. Among other things, they're collaborating with CPK's officials to bring electromobility to the airport campus and provide sustainable solutions for biofuel. Future developments and economic impact. Because the CPK project is putting a lot of money into Poland's infrastructure, it will definitely help the Polish economy. As well as the airport, the CPK will include a huge network of trains, including a high-speed rail link between Warsaw and Lodz. This will make it easier and faster than ever to get from one big Polish city to another. In addition, the CPK project has led to good cash results. The company made a profit of 28 million zloty in 2022, after losing 169 million zloty the previous year. This change happened in part because the land was bought from the National Agricultural Support Center and the National Property Fund. The CPK has made a lot of money from the land that was given to the people in the area who were affected by the project as a settlement. One of the reasons the CPK has been good for the economy is because it has created jobs. The number of employees at the company increased from 493 in 2021 to 638 in 2022, as experts from different industries joined the team. The expansion of human resources has boosted wage expenditure, which in turn has stimulated the economy. Still, those who are against the idea point out that the government would have to pay a lot of money for this project. They said the huge amount of money from the national budget that was spent on it would be wasted because it would never be able to do what it was meant to do. Poland's transportation system will be much better after the Central Port Communication project is finished. The CPK will change the way people move in Poland and beyond, with its cutting-edge design, focus on making the passenger experience better, and ability to easily connect to other types of transportation. Foster & Partners and Bureau Happold came up with the big idea to build a famous airport that shows off the best of Polish culture, art, and technology. The CPK will help Poland's economy grow and to make it more important in the international aircraft business as it grows. Does this airport need to exist? Don't they have enough? Will they also see to the end of CPK? Let us know how you feel in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.